so we're gonna include some movement of the knees in blending this skill. So the knees are gonna come up, left knee's gonna come up, right turn, and you wanna be on your right bum cheek as you're sitting on the chair, and then as you press down and you raise up the left side, the right side, you're gonna move over to your left bum cheek, okay? The nose will be over the right foot. Our feet, we're pressing on the left big toe, right toe. They're edging, steering like we learned earlier. And then as we finish steering, and we're gonna press the right foot, and we're gonna switch our weight to the right bum cheek on the bench, and we're gonna pull up and shorten this left leg as we're balanced on the right bum cheek with our nose reaching over the right foot. And we're steering our feet, steering to the max, and when we reach that maximum articulation of the feet, we're gonna press the left foot down, raising this right half up off the bench, even trying to draw up the abdominals on the right, nose over the left foot, and back and forth. So we're on the right bum cheek, knees pointing left, and we're on the left thigh and bum cheek, feet pointing right. Articulating the feet as we learn, and switching our weight distribution. Okay, so this is the turn, going over like that. Okay, so this is a great exercise to do on the chairlift. Had some really good discoveries for people by getting that nose and the weight on the downhill ski. That's what we teach. Okay, so articulate this, get the knee joint working in. It's almost like we're riding a bike and we're articulating the feet all at the same time. All right, so another great movement. We're blending many skills together now. Moving to ski. All right, peace.
Let's do a little tip ski turn. Not to be confused with the tip C turn.